Unfortunately, we haven't found anywhere we can camp.
Good night, baby. Gotta look backwards.
Welcome to our PNW Snowy Adventures. On this edition of today's adventure, we decided to put on our big boy, big girl pants in the PNW to try to go winter camping. But the snow is the boss of us, and unfortunately, we haven't found anywhere we can camp.
This is what we get for putting on our big boy pants. We still got freaking 5 feet of snow up here.
This is what we get. We go to Nevada, we go to the desert, we go to Southern California in the sunshine and desert, and then we come back here and there's still a massive amount of snow.
Oh well. We gotta turn around.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, we are north of the Columbia River Gorge, about 10 miles past Carson, and
we've actually done this trail before. We're at the Falls Creek Trail, which we did a couple year and a half ago. It's so pretty. You used to be able to drive up this road, but yeah, there's this big snow boulder.
Yeah.
Do they make snow boulders? How do they do that?
We're too deep. Even if we find a trail, it's still gonna be feet on pond feet.
He's not happy. He really wanted to go winter camping.
So we're gonna try another road, another place to see maybe, and if not, stay tuned. It might be a quick video. Raise your hand if you're ready for springtime. epic fail day. We tried to camp in the mountains, fail. And then we tried to camp on the gorge on the Columbia River.
Bomb.
Storm coming in. We found one site, but we're so exposed, and we're not gonna try it because there's a storm coming in at about 3 a.m. this morning.
Yeah.
Nope. There's only one thing left to do, huh?
Yeah.
We should probably explain what happened today.
We knew it was a risk trying to go out camping today. And what did we run into?
Snow!
Way too much of it to even attempt to find a spot where we could pull the 4Runner over, have it level, and have a spot for us to put up our rooftop tent and all of our stuff. On top of the snow, there was a storm that was supposed to come in.
And then we turned around, found a spot at Beacon Rock in the gorge on the Washington Side State Park, but it was not adequate. It was
kind of sketchy. Well,
yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, so
we're
anyways,
here. We came home.
We ended up coming home. We set up the garage. So I was going to make our camp cooking session tonight. Some chili, hot dogs, cornbread. So I figured, hey, why not just set it up in the garage? We set up our table, set up our little grill, cooked everything how we were going to out in the wilderness.
Camping in our brew cave.
Now we're camping in the brew cave.
Anybody in the PNW?
You know our pain.
Yeah.
Winter is
they can
tough.
relate.
Little din, little relaxing by the fire in a little bit. Well, this wasn't one of our typical RPNW adventures. We did have an awesome day.
Yeah.
Ended up being great.
Yes.
We had an epic failure in terms of trying to find a camping spot, but that's kind of what you get in the PNW in the wintertime. So, if you have any suggestions on where we could go camp at where there might not be that much snow, leave them in the comments below. But we found some awesome breweries and we found some great food and yeah, just had an overall awesome time.
Now we got a fire, and after a nice meal and just hanging out in our swing chairs, some beers and some music. Yeah. Great. So,
thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.